We're at a hot. This is a spot that's supposed to be, everyone's hanging around. There's the water. There's people that's trying to get across. They won't let us. And there we go. It's all a flooded area. There's the hard workers. There, look at them. Ready to start. And there's a toilet over there. There should be some fishes. Should be able to see some fishes there. There's a house down there somewhere. There it is. There's the sign. Yeah. Fuck is that? Yeah. All right. We'll keep going.